Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name remains Lulu, and I want to say thank you for everyone who has been coming to this YouTube channel. And I hope that the informations here are helpful. And I hope you are employing, or you are applying rather, for all of these job opportunities. Please, the ones that you are qualified for, don't ignore them, apply for them, and be expectant. Okay, so this particular one on my screen is a senior healthcare assistant job opportunity, and this is there is a sponsorship attached to this space. As you can see, sponsorship is available. Northern Ireland is the location, and it's domestic care. Now, this is boldly written that sponsorship is available for this role. We are looking for a senior healthcare assistant to join our team at Ogna Chloe House. You will work the day shift between the hours of 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. or the night shift 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. They said this role is full-time, 48 hours per week. Wow. Okay, so the main role, you can read all of this. Is to work as a trained, multi-skilled member of the team, providing various aspects of care to elderly, physically disabled residents. To provide and assist with training of healthcare assistants, to monitor standards of care within the home, and to ensure a high-quality caring service is provided at all times. These are your duties. Identify training needs of healthcare assistants and report same to sister or charge nurse or nurse manager. Deliver induction and ongoing training to healthcare assistant. Blah, blah, blah. Please read all of this very well. Assist with probationary assessment and ongoing performance review. Train to be multi-skilled in all areas of home, that is personal care, kitchen and laundry, assistance with all daily living activities such as washing, dressing, continence, promotion, and meals. Ensure safe and acceptable standard of care are maintained within a safe environment. Okay, so just read through all of these, guys. I don't want to make this video quite long. Other duties include undertaking healthcare assistance tasks. Participate in staff meeting and attend all training sections. Promote public relations between the home and surrounding communities. Okay, so guys, just read all of these things. So you need 1 year experience as a healthcare assistant in nursing home or similar environment. Be registered with the Northern Ireland Social Care. Okay, I think this is for people in Northern Ireland anyways. But I believe that if you tell this organization that you can relocate, irrespective of your location, you'll be able to know their say. You'll be able to know if you can relocate or if they want you to relocate or not. Some of these guys doesn't mind you relocating from anywhere. If there are people that want to provide relocation assistance, they will tell you. If they're not providing, they will tell you that no problem, we can keep the job for you, but we won't be paying for your relocation, and you go for what pays you. It's actually a free, the sponsorship is what really matters if we have other qualifications required. So this is closing on the 23rd February, as you can see, 2024, 23rd February 2024. Guys, don't sleep on this. Apply now, and I'm wishing you the best of luck. See you later.